Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve failed to upload error Google Drive on Android. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you. So let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A strong and stable internet connection is essential for smooth uploading. To check this, turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. The next thing to try is to close the Google Drive app completely. After you close the app, start it again and see if that has solved the problem. Clearing Google Drive app's cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix this problem. To do so, find the Google Drive app in your home screen and hold it until the menu appears. Click on the Info option. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Ensure the file name does not use special characters or symbols. Rename the file to use simple letters and numbers and try uploading again. If you are looking for a quick way to fix app crashing, freezing, or not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android phone brands' errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about how to fix failed to upload error Google Drive on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.